In this video, I will show you how to transfer and send stocks from Cash App to Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app and log in. On the home screen, tap the person icon in the bottom right, then scroll down and select Transfers. Choose Transfer to your bank, add or select your bank account, enter the amount you want to move, and confirm the transfer. Keep in mind, it may take up to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Once the money is in your bank, open the Cash App and log in. Tap the Banking tab at the bottom left, then select Add Cash. Enter the amount, confirm, and follow the prompts. Depending on your bank, the transfer may take a few minutes to a day. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.